ravaged, completely ravaged. My lawn has never looked this bad. Well, within degrees, because obviously I did a full lawn renovation, but from a pure fungus standpoint, this is the worst I've ever seen. And I know part of it is my fault. Not only did I have a dull mower blade, somehow it became loose, went all wonky and butchered the cut on the lawn. I'm not only to blame. Sometimes Mother Nature is just fickle. Stress in the lawn is very common, especially this time of year for us cool season folks. As the summer comes along, it's only going to get worse. High temps with high humidity equals stress. Lawn disease or fungus or heat stress, these are things that when they pop up, they can cause damage fast. So it's important to get ahead of the stress before it starts. Simply put, the healthier your lawn, the better your lawn care practices, the more likely you're going to avoid this mess. I have the gambit. I have lawn fungus, a lot of it, and heat stress. Now before I go over the products that are going to help me cure the stress in the lawn, Greene County Fertilizer does not have a treatment for lawn fungus. If you believe you have fungus in the lawn, it is important that you get a proper fungicide down to get rid of that. The products I'm about to go over are to purely help in the lawn's recovery. It is widely known of the benefits of adding sea kelp to your lawn. Not only does it help the roots, it also helps the overall health of the plant. Good thing is, a lot of Greene County Fertilizer products contain sea kelp in it, even a specialty formulation in CK or Seek. It is highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way, but not only will that help the roots start to beef up a little bit more, but it will start to help in the recovery process of the grass. To help my stressed out lawn, I'm going to be applying at the recommended rate of ½ an ounce per 1,000 square feet. It is recommended that you use a pump sprayer, hand can, or a backpack sprayer, but because of certain situations I'm going through at the moment, I'm going to go ahead and apply this with the Ortho Dial-In spray. If you don't want to buy CK, but you do have the biostimulants, RGS, while not as highly concentrated, still contains a good amount of kelp, so use that instead. The other product you can apply is Green Kick, or if you still have Green Fight, that works as well. Both Kick and Fight are Greene County Fertilizer's potassium fertilizers. No nitrogen, no phosphorus, just potassium. And potassium helps the overall health of the plant. Green Kick can be applied anywhere from 2 to 5 ounces per 1,000 square feet. During active signs of stress, you can go ahead and apply this every 14 to 21 days, which is actually the same for most fungicide treatments. It also works best as a foliar application, so the Ortho isn't the best method of application, but due to time constraints and my desire to make this as easy as possible, I'm going to be using the Dial-In spray. One last thing I'm going to add to this mix is aerate. One common cause of fungus in the lawn is compacted soil. Aerate's going to help open everything up, allowing for airflow, water, and nutrients to get to the root zone. When the soil is compacted, it stops all that from happening. Fungus can occur. So I'm going to go ahead and use a recommended rate of 9 ounces per 1,000 in this mix. Applying 6 to 9 ounces of aerate will help open everything up and get this application down into the root zone. Keep in mind, this isn't a one-time application cures all. Typically, I apply aerate monthly. One of the unfortunate things about stress in the lawn is that you will have die-off. Now you could wait to dethatch until the fall, or you can apply dethatch in a separate application. You will need to apply a few applications of this to get the best results. You want to go ahead and apply this on the lawn and let it sit over the warmer days, and that's what's going to help break down that dead material. Just to review everything that Greene County Fertilizer has to offer in regards to treating stress in the lawn, you want to apply something with sea kelp, either CK or RGS. Then you want to focus on the overall health of the plant by applying Green Kick. Apply aerate on top of all that to get everything down into the root zone and help break up some of that compaction. Then lastly, clean up all that dead material by applying dethatch. If you are wanting more information on CK or Green Kick, go ahead and click up here. If you're wanting to go ahead and purchase any of these products, click down here at the bottom. I really want my lawn to get better.